Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can create a Windows 10 bootable USB or bootable flash drive or pen drive. Next thing, after opening your browser, you want to type in Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using. Again, you want to type download Windows 10. You press enter and make sure to open www.microsoft.com/Windows 10 or the first solution or result. Next step will be that we will download this little tool by clicking download. Once the download completed, you will need to locate the tool or the software which we download now. Is just few mega software, should be not even more than 18 megabit. And you click with the right button of the mouse, you select, you click with the right button of the mouse and you click run as administrator. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow the application to make changes to your device. You will go ahead and click yes. This little Windows logo will appear. You will need to wait a bit and this little window will appear for you. Next step, you will need to wait few seconds until Windows get few things ready before we get the first set of information. Once this operation completed, you will receive you will see the applicable notice and license terms. You can go through and read the complete license terms, or you can just click accept. You will need to wait again few seconds to 1 minute until the next step is loaded, and there we will be able to select what software we want to download first. So the next step will be that we will select create installation media and we will click next. Here the system has automatically detected the settings of my computer and offering me the same language English, edition Windows 10, architecture 64-bit. However, personally I would like different settings. You can also go for different settings and select or deselect use the recommended options for this PC. Go by selecting the language which you want. In Windows Edition, you will not be able to change it because it comes as a full package. So this installation media will allow you to either install Home, Professional, Ultimate, whatever edition you want. They are all included in one, and during the installation you will be able to choose which one. But when you are downloading and setting up in a flash drive, pen drive or whatever, or creating a bootable USB, you will not be able to choose the edition. Here you can either select 32-bit or 64-bit following your need, or you can go ahead and select both if you want to. Personally, I need just the 32-bit. Next step, I will just go ahead and click next. Here I will leave USB flash drive selected and we will just go ahead and insert our flash drive or USB device. Make sure that it is at least 8 gigabit and make sure that it doesn't contain any data, because all the data will be erased from it before starting with the process of creating bootable USB or before creating the installation media. So next step, we'll just click next, and here it selects automatically my flash drive or my USB. However, you can always click refresh drive list if you don't see your flash drive. Once you have it and you have it selected, click next. Windows will get few things ready and it will start processing. This process might take between 5 to 15 minutes based on which option you have selected, 32-bit, 64-bit or both. However, the whole process shouldn't take more than 20 minutes since the beginning. I will just pause the video here and we will take once it's completed. So now guys, as you can see, our operation is completed. We can just go ahead and click finish, and the operation again will take just a few seconds to clean up. And when you go to your computer shortcut or PC shortcut, you will check the USB or the pen drive or the flash drive, and you will find out that Windows is there and your device is ready. You can use it for performing an installation or a computer repair. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.